to y is equals to sine 2x over x. So let u is equals to sine 2x, where du is equals to the derivative of sine 2x, that is cosine 2x. Then we apply chain rule, so we derive 2x, that is 2 dx. Okay? So where du over dx is equals to 2 cosine 2x. Okay? So another is let v is equals to x. Then dv over dx is equals to 1. Okay? By applying this formula, d over dx, u over v is equals to p du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. Okay? So where v is x, where du over dx is equals to 2 cosine 2x minus u is equals to sine 2x. And then dv over dx is 1, okay, over x. Okay, so tapos naka-square. So simplify. So 2x cosine 2x minus sine 2x over x squared. So that is the equivalent final answer. Y prime is equals to the 2x cosine 2x minus sine 2x over x squared. Okay, so next problem. What is the first derivative when x is equals to 3 tan 2t? So let u is equals to 2t. Then du here is the derivative of 2t, that is 2 dt. Then du over dt is equals to 2. Take note that the formula apply d over dx tan u is equals to secant squared u du over dx. Okay? So since the problem x respect to t, so we can change this into dt. Okay? So something like that. Then write 3, then secant squared, then where u, the equivalent of u is 2t. Then du over dt is 2 times 2. So therefore, the x prime is equals to 6 secant squared 2t. Okay. So that is the final answer. So next, what is the equivalent derivatives of x is equals to sine quantity of 4t squared plus 1. Okay. So let u is equals to 4t squared plus 1, where du is equals to 8t. Okay, so the derivative of constant, that is 0. So 8t dt. So where du over dt is equals to 8t. Okay. So take note again, d over dx, or the derivative of sine u is equals to cosine u du over dx. Okay. So therefore, this is cosine. So where u is 4t squared plus 1. Then where du as 8t. Okay. So therefore, x prime is equivalent to 8t cosine 4t squared plus 1. Okay. So that is the final answer. The next of y is equals to 4 theta tan quantity of theta squared minus 1. Okay? So, let u is equals to 4 theta, where du is equals to 4 d theta. Okay? So, the derivative of 4 theta is equals to 4 d theta. So, where du is equals d over d theta, that is equivalent to 4. Okay? So, another is where v is equals to tan theta squared minus 1. Where dv, okay, is equals to, take note, the derivative of tan. Okay, so the derivative of tan u is equals to secant squared u over dx. Okay. So therefore, this is a secant squared. So where u here indicate by theta squared minus 1. Okay. So du over dx here, that is applying the chain rule, derivative of this theta square, theta to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2 theta. Okay. Then d theta. So therefore, dv over d theta, that is equivalent of 2 theta secant squared theta squared, okay, minus 1. Then, applying this formula, d over dx, uv is equals to v u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So, where u here is 4 theta, and then dv over dx, that is 2 theta times the secant squared quantity of theta squared minus 1 plus where v here is tan quantity of theta squared minus 1. And then where du over dx, that is 4, or another call is du over d theta, that is 4. So multiply by 4. So simplify 4 theta times 2 theta, that is 8 theta squared times secant squared quantity of theta squared minus 1, then plus 4 tan the quantity of theta squared minus 1. Okay? So, that is the final answer of y prime. So, another problem is, what is the first derivative of z is equals to 1 over cosine 2t. Okay, so we rewrite this problem given. N2 cosine 2t raised to the power negative 1. Like that. Okay? So, let u is equals to cosine 2t. Where du, the derivative of cosine 2t, that is negative sine 2t, then applying the chain rule, which is the derivative of 2t, that is 2 dt. So where du over dt, that is equivalent of negative 2 sine 2t. Okay. So by applying again this formula, d over dx, u to the third n is equals to n u to the third n minus 1 d dq over dx. Okay. So wherein here is negative 1. Okay. So negative 1, then u. So negative 1 minus 1. Okay. And then du over dt. Also, that is negative 2 sine 2t. Okay. Multiply. So, right equals to negative times negative, that is positive, to 2 u to the power negative 2, then sine 2t. Okay? Substitute the equivalent of u, which is cosine 2t. Okay? So 2, that is cosine 2t to the power negative 2. Okay? Then sine 2t. Or 2 sine 2t over cosine 2t to the power 2, no? Or the multiplier is 2. So therefore, z prime, that is equivalent of 2 sine 2t over the quantity of cosine 2t squared. Okay? So that is the final answer. Okay, so next problem. So in this problem, we can rewrite secant 3t, okay, then multiplier by 3, okay, or the quantity of secant 3t to the power 3, okay. So let u equals to secant 3t du. So take note the derivative of secant d over dx secant u is equals to secant u tan u du over dx. Okay. So where du here is equals to secant 3t, then tan 3t, then the derivative of 3t, that is 3, okay, 3 dt. So therefore, where du over dt here is equals to 3 secant 3t tan 3t. Okay. Again, by using this formula, d over dx, so u to the third n is equals to n un minus 1 du over dx. Okay. Where n here is 3. So 3 minus 1, then du over dx, or that is equivalent of du over dt, so which is 3 secant 3t tan 3t. Okay. So the value of n is 3. So 3 times 3, that is 9. Then u to the power 2. Okay. Secant 3t tan 3t. Okay. So substitute the value of u, which is secant 3t. 9 cosecant 3t squared, then secant 3t times secant 3t. Okay? So, or 9 times secant cube 3t tan 3t. Okay, so the final answer is q prime is equals to 9 secant 3t to the power 3 tan 3t. What is the first derivative of y is equals to x squared cosecant 2x? Okay, so let u is equals to x squared and du is equals to 2x dx. Okay, so du over dx is equals to 2x. And then v is equals to cosecant 2x. Okay, so where dv here? Okay, so take note again, d over dx or cosecant u is equals to negative cosecant u cot u then du over dx. Okay, that is the formula and we apply. Okay, so negative c cc. Okay, so 2x then cot 2x or cotangent 2x, then we're du over dx, the derivative of 2x, that is 2. Okay, so multiply by 2 dx. Okay, so naka-x here. So therefore, dv over dx is equals to negative 2 cosecant 2x times cotangent 2x. Okay. So again, applying this formula, d over dx uv is equals to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. Okay. So where u here is x squared times negative 2 cosecant 2x cotangent 2x then plus v is cosecant 2x, okay, x times 2x, okay, negative 2x squared, then cosecant 2x, then cotangent 2x plus cosecant 2x, okay, times 2x. Okay, so therefore we can rewrite, okay, so y prime is equals to so check 2x times negative x, that is negative 2x squared, and then cosecant also, so cosecant 2x and cotangent 2x. Okay, so then 2x times 2x cosecant 2x times 1, that is cosecant 2x. Okay, so therefore this is the final answer. So what is the first derivative of s is equals to 3t cosine 2t? So let u is equals to 3t, then du here is equals to 3 dt. So where du over dt is equals to 3, then v here is cosine 2t. Then where dv is equals to negative sine 2t. Okay. So the derivative of 2t, that is 2. So multiply by 2 dt. where dv over dt is equals to negative 2 sine 2t. Okay? Again, we use this formula. Product rule. d over dx, up is equals to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So, where u here is 3t, where dv over dx is negative 2 sine 2t, then plus where v here is cosine 2t, and then where du over dt, okay, that is 3. The final answer is negative 6t sine 2t plus 3 cosine 2t. Okay? So that is the S prime equivalent. Okay, so that is the final answer.